Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to replace the cruise control switch on a Toyota Camry. This is a 2012 Toyota Camry, but the procedure is going to be similar for other models as well. What you're going to do is you park the vehicle and pull the hood release underneath the dashboard right there, and then go to the battery and disconnect the negative battery terminal and leave it disconnected. Pull it to the side, leave it disconnected. You come inside the vehicle and press the horn a couple of times. Even though you're not going to hear it, what's that going to do is going to discharge any electrical current that might be in the electrical systems. It's going to completely discharge. And the reason why is you want to do that is because these airbags, if there's power going to them while you're working, they can deploy, cause injuries and death. So you want to avoid that. So after you disconnect the battery, make sure you wait 5 minutes before you move on to the next step. The next step is to release the airbag, and the way that you release it is going to have either holes on the sides here, or you might have these plastic covers. You might have these covers right on the side of the steering wheel on this side, and then you have one on this side here. It goes right where the cruise control, but you get a flathead screwdriver and you can just kind of pry this out to pull them off. And then what's that going to do is it's going to expose the releases right in there, and I'm going to show you how they look. We have this removed, so it's a lot easier to show you this way, but you can see we have one spring right here, so that needs to release, so you'll be coming with a screwdriver there. So you can see it would be on the back here and pushing that up, and then right here you have this spring right here. You'll be pushing that spring that way, that will release it there and there, and then you'll come here on this side and then you release this side. And then once you do that, you carefully move the airbag up and put that off to the side. Next, you're gonna release the electrical connector here for the cruise control. You press that down and then you pull this. Pretty simple. And then next you want to remove these two Phillips screws that hold the cruise control in place. Okay, there's the cruise control, comes out like so. And then once you remove it, you'll take the new, or you could be using a used cruise control, and then you want to reinstall it. You can see here, you want to make sure that this pin goes right in this hole right here. Okay, and then that lines up the screws where they go. Tighten that. Then you take the connector and you're going to press this until it clicks. Then you take the airbag and then you press the airbag in until you hear it clip it to the bottom here and here. And it should not be loose, it should not come out like this. It should be laying flush on both sides. But you just press that in, and then you go ahead and reconnect the battery, and that will be it. If your vehicle has stability and traction control and ABS light might be on, but after you drive that vehicle for a few minutes, they should reset on their own. Or what you can do is start the engine and turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, all the way to the right. Repeat that a couple of times, then drive for 5 minutes, and that's going to reset your ABS and traction control light. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching.